So welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you an old Renault Clio on how to reset the service indicator. This indicator over here, the wrench indicator, it appears when it's due to a service. I'm going to show you how I can get rid of that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 300 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Any questions, any comments, use the commentary and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, turn the ignition off. When we turn the ignition on and start the car, this keeps on showing. And we're gonna use the right thumbstick over here. This is also a button. 2-button thumbstick, up and down. We're gonna use the top button, this one. Press it till we find the area where it says that it's due to service. So it says it's due to another oil change, like this. When you find this, press this button and hold that, and as you can see, after a few seconds it starts blinking. Keep pressing that, hold it, and just let go when it disappears, when the indicator over here disappears and this area doesn't blink anymore. So once again, ignition off, ignition on. Go through the menu by the button on the right side. Find this area, oil change area. Press, hold the button up. Keep pressing that till it stops blinking and let go when it stops blinking. This is for all the Renault Clio models from 2005 till 2009, I think. And I have some other videos, other Clios on my other videos, so if you'd like them, you can watch them all. That was it for today. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.